In the previous video, we learned how to use if function in Excel. So we have to know here if along with if or also. So we have to get the commission based on salary. So we can use if function as we learned before. Click on if, click OK. Here we have to mention if salary is greater than 50,000, then commission will be 5%, otherwise 2%. So I am clicking salary greater than 5,000 on the condition logical test, and if true then 5%, else 2%. So we get the desired result here. So we have multiple condition in which one condition true, then it will work. Either condition will be true, it will work. On that case, we have to use if or. So I am removing everything from here and starting with if or. So here my condition, either salary greater than 5,000 or his position will be an accountant. So in either cases, the commission will be 5%, otherwise 2%. So we can start with if here. So we have to write here multiple condition. So we can write only one condition here. Click here and click on or. So we have to mention our condition here. First condition, salary will be greater than 5,000. So click on salary, first cell, type greater than symbol, type 50,000, and second condition, click on position, first cell, on the double quotes, type accountant, and we need whether it's true or false. So click between if and or. We can write here 5% in case either he will be accountant or his salary is greater than 5,000, 50,000, then his commission will be 5%, otherwise 2%. Click OK. You can see here first person is an accountant, even his salary is less than 50,000, then also he will get the 5% commission. See, the third person is an admin, his salary is 42,000, then he get the 2% commission. So we can see two persons, logistics officer, their salary is more than 5,000, 50,000, then they get the 5% commission. So we can use this if or if we need the multiple condition, in that condition, in multiple condition, in that either any condition will be true, then it will work. So we have learned email domain fixing on the previous video, where we can see ending with three text domain means com or net. So I have here ending with AE also without dot. We have to fix it with practice text dot AE. I am removing dot from here. You have to fix this with the practice test. I am removing dot from here, removing the dot from here also. You have to use if and substitute right. Three functions, if you use it, then you can fix it. Both three three character domain and two character domain, I mean AE and ORG and net. So before we fix it, only three character domain only. So I can give you hint. If no need, or if you have multiple two character domain, if you can use or else you can use if, substitute and write. I hope you understand this video. Thank you very much.